Students, today we are going to see chapter number 3, Physiography and Drainage. Physiography means physical structure of the land and drainage means river system. In this chapter, first there is given one activity which is regarding to map. It is a part of practical geography, map reading. In this activity, we are going to discuss some questions. Those are given here below the map. So, now let's see what is given there. Observe the map given in figure 3.1 and answer the following questions. Question number 1. In which direction does the region with an altitude of more than 6,000 meters lie in India? The answer is the region with an altitude of more than 6,000 meters lies in the north and northeast directions in India. Question number 2. Look for the south flowing river in Peninsula region. In which river basin does it lie? The answer is Pranahita. Pranahita is the south flowing river in the Peninsula region. It lies in Godavari river basin. Question number 3. In which direction is the slope of the region in the north shown in the dark green? The answer is the slope of the region in the north shown in dark green is in east direction. Question number 4. Make a list of plateaus located in between Arauli ranges and Chota Nagpur plateau. The answer is the list of plateaus located in between Arauli ranges and Chota Nagpur plateau is as follows. 1. Marwar plateau. 2. Malwa plateau. Bundelkhand plateau. Bhagelkhand plateau. Question number 5. Name the peaks shown in the Eastern Ghats. The answer is the peaks shown in the Eastern Ghats are as follows. 1. Mahendragiri and 2. Malayagiri. Question number 6. Which mountains demarcate the deep plains of Brahmaputra? Answer. The eastern Himalaya mountains demarcates the deep plains of Brahmaputra. Question number 7. Give the relative location of the Nilgiri Hills. Answer. The location of the Nilgiri Hills is at junction of the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Question number 8. In which direction does the height of the Sahyadri Hills increase? The height of Sahyadri Hills increase in the southern direction. Question number 9. The winds acts water divide between which two river basins? Answer. The wind acts as water divide between river Narmada and Ganga river basins. Thank you.